Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the grille on this 2008 Chevy Silverado. If you need any parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. I'll pop the hood right here near the footrest. Pull that lever. To release the hood, just push the lever towards the driver's side. Lift up on the hood. We're going to pull this cover off. We want to pull these clips out. There should be 8 of them. This vehicle only has 2 clips, so I'm going to pull these out. We'll just use a trim tool, pry up on the center part, and pull this up, just like that. Just like that. And then pull this cover up, put it aside. I'm going to take these 4 10mm bolts out. There's one missing on this vehicle. Just use a 10mm socket and a ratchet. Maybe this one's pretty difficult. Gonna get some rust penetrant. Just spray a little rust penetrant in here. Let it soak for a little bit. Do the same for the others. All right, now that I let that soak for a little bit, try to work this back and forth. Now I'm going to take off this last one. Slide this out. There's some clips on the inside. This clip's actually broken down here, but right here there's a clip. So I'm going to take some needle nose pliers. Just squeeze the clip. And then same with the other side. Right here. And there's actually supposed to be another clip here and here. So this is a total of 6 clips, but those other ones are broken on this vehicle, so just slide it out. All right, now we're going to line these clips up. We only have 2 that are not broken. The rest of ours are broken, so on your vehicle it may be different. Just try to line those up on the side and then down below. That's lined up, just push it into place. Just like that. Now I'm going to take these bolts. Now we only have 2 bolts to reinstall. 2 of ours broke, so we're just gonna leave those for right now. And we'll take our 10mm socket and tighten these up. Oops. We're going to put this cover on, slide that over, make sure the holes line up. Then we're going to take these push pins. Now we only had 2 in the beginning, but 1A Auto actually sells kits, so you can get all of these push pins. Push that last one in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.